Hello there, welcome to Mr. Traveler 97 YouTube channel. Today is the second day of our Trincomalee trip. If you guys watched day 1 of this series, you already know we had a bad weather on that day. But look at the sky today. It's damn blue. That means it's gonna be a perfect beach day. I almost forgot to tell you where we are now. We are at Nilaveli beach in Trincomalee. And we're gonna take a boat from here to Pigeon Island National Park. But before that, it's time for breakfast and some Ceylon tea. We arrived here as early as possible so that we could go to the island and it won't be too crowded. Because after 10 AM, many boats go there from here. Anyways, let's go and see our boat. I think this is the one. Let's see. Actually, this one is our boat. By the way, we should purchase tickets from here. There's a ticket counter in this beach. Also, you must rent life jacket and snorkeling kit for 1000 LKR per person. If you're willing to take a guide, it will be from 750 to 1000 LKR per person, depending on your bargaining skills. Also, the boat costs 8000 LKR and has room for 7 people. So join with others to reduce your cost. Enough talking, right? Let's go. Okay, we are at the Pigeon Island National Park right now. As you can see, it's super beautiful. And also no plastic at all, which is a very good thing. The beach is not too busy right now, but it will be in few hours. Just look at the water, so clean and clear. Okay, now we are getting ready for our snorkeling session. The guide gave us a brief introduction session on how to use the snorkeling kit. So yes, we are waiting for that. I'm so excited because it's my first proper snorkeling experience. Let's go and explore it. We are still close to the beach, but look, so many fish. Look at that, it's a jellyfish. Make sure not to touch them because they are not good for your skin. Oh, there are so many of them. That's amazing. See that? It's a sea turtle. Here I am going through the fish ranch. This is one of the best experiences I have ever had in my life. If you want to watch the complete snorkeling video, I have a separate video for that. Just click the YouTube card above. See, I told you earlier, it will be packed here. Well, not packed, but it's a little bit busy here. Now let me give you a tour of this island. There is another beach on the other side of this island. It's actually mostly for swimming. There's a small office from the Wildlife Department of Sri Lanka in here. And also this bay is called Pigeon Bay. We can't go inside the island as it's not allowed, but we had a wonderful time here. And it's time to say goodbye to this amazing island. This experience won't be forgotten for sure, for a long time. You should come here too. It should be on your bucket list. Okay guys, with this I'm gonna end this video. Thank you for watching and see you in another video like this. And make sure to like and subscribe and have a wonderful day.